Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3. The official Creality Ender 3 is a popular and budget-friendly 3D printer designed for DIY enthusiasts and beginners in the 3D printing community. This printer is known for its ease of assembly and quick setup, allowing users to assemble the machine themselves within just 2 hours. The compact size of the Ender 3 makes it convenient to carry around, making it suitable for makers on the go. One of the standout features of the Ender 3 is its resume printing function, which ensures that printing can be continued accurately after a power outage or accidental power cutoff. This feature is made possible by the power supply protection device, reducing the worry of filament wastage and the need to start a print job from scratch. The 3D printer incorporates a V-profile and pulley system for stable and smooth running, resulting in low noise levels, wear resistance, and a longer service life. Additionally, the Y-rail mounting groove is CNC machined to provide precise positioning and a solid frame, contributing to high-precision printing quality. The inclusion of a large hand twist nut simplifies the process of leveling the print platform. Number 2. Sovol 3D SV0 for IDEX. The Sovol 3D SV0 for IDEX is an advanced 3D printer designed to provide users with enhanced printing capabilities and greater creative freedom. The term IDEX stands for Independent Dual Extrusion, which means that this printer is equipped with 2 separate direct drive metal extruders that can operate independently. This feature allows users to print using 2 different colors, materials, or even 2 different models simultaneously, either in the same direction or opposite directions. This unique capability opens up new possibilities for creating multicolored and multimaterial prints without the need for manual color/material changes. One of the significant advantages of the Sovol SV0 is its ability to handle a wide range of materials, including popular choices like PLA, ABS, PET, TPU, PC, PAR, wood, Acer, and PVA. This broad material compatibility enables users to experiment with different materials to achieve specific properties and aesthetics in their prints. In terms of size, the SV0 offers a generous print volume of 300x 300x 400 mm, providing more space for larger and more ambitious projects compared to its predecessors, the SV01 and SV02. The printer features a modular design that ensures quick and straightforward assembly, enabling users to start printing faster. Number 3. Elegoo Resin 3D Printer. The Elegoo Resin 3D printer, specifically the Mars 3 model, is a cutting-edge desktop MSLA, masked stereolithography, 3D printer designed for high precision and exceptional 3D printing output. Compared to its predecessor, the Mars 2, the Mars 3 boasts significant improvements in various key aspects. One of the standout features of the Mars 3 is its impressive resolution and output capabilities. It incorporates a 6.66 inches mono LCD with Ultra 4K HD resolution, which results in a 30% higher XY resolution at 35 micrometers. This means that the printer can create finer details and produce more intricate models with stunning accuracy. Additionally, the build volume is increased by 37% compared to Mars 2, allowing for larger prints and more ambitious projects. The Release Film 2.0 technology in Mars 3 addresses a common challenge in 3D printing, supporting small and thin structures added to models during the printing process. With less release tension, these supports are well protected, leading to an improved success rate when printing complex models with intricate details. This enhancement ensures that prints with intricate parts are less likely to fail and produce consistent, high-quality results. Number 4. Voxlab Aquila X2. The Voxlab Aquila X2 is a 3D printer that offers a range of advanced features designed to provide fast, silent, and intelligent printing. One of its key highlights is the fast heating and silent printing feature. The printer is equipped with a carbon crystal silicon glass plate, which not only ensures strong adhesion for the printed models but also enables the printer to heat up in just 5 minutes. This quick heating process allows users to start printing their models with minimal wait time. Additionally, the advanced heating technology ensures that the printed models won't easily warp during the printing process. Moreover, the printing sounds are kept below 50 decibels, making the Aquila X2 an ideal option for environments where low noise levels are desired. Another notable feature of the Aquila X2 is its intelligent and smooth printing capabilities. The printer is designed to operate quietly, minimizing any disturbances during the printing process. It is equipped with smooth adjustable pulleys, which further contribute to the overall smoothness of the printing operation. Moreover, the printer has an intelligent power resume function. In the event of a power outage or accidental power cutoff, the printer can accurately resume printing from the last recorded position once power is restored. This feature ensures that users don't waste materials or time due to unexpected interruptions. Number 5. TRONXY 3D Printers. TRONXY 3D printers, particularly the Crux 1 model, are innovative and user-friendly devices designed to cater to both beginners and more experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. The Crux 1 Mini 3D printer is a compact and portable desktop printer that weighs 5.8 kilograms, making it easy to move and set up in different locations. One notable feature of the TRONXY Crux 1 is its customized IDEX platform. This platform is equipped with a transparent panel that offers excellent adhesion to various printing consumables, especially PLA, ABS, and TPU 3D filaments. The IDEX panel's properties, such as resistance to warping, long-term high-temperature resistance, and minimal wear, contribute to a smoother printing experience and enhance print quality. The printer is designed to be 95% pre-installed, making the assembly process quick and straightforward. Users can start their first print within minutes, which is especially appealing to beginners and those new to 3D printing. As a result, the Crux 1 is an excellent choice for novice hobbyists as well as creative teenagers exploring their 3D printing interests.